welcome to our channel, Island Girl Garden and Up. I'm your man Up. Today we're gonna be looking at I got a gorilla cart for my birthday. Got a gorilla cart, one of the ones that dumps. So I told my old wife I needed the one that actually you can dump with it. So I'm off of work for a week, so I told her go and get it while I'm off. Birthday like a couple days away. But here it is, right here. The gorilla cart. Just got it, unboxing it right now. And we see how long it takes to put it together. When you get it yourself in the box, you can see how long it takes to get it. Here's the bucket right here. It comes in a piece like this. The good thing about it is, one of the good things about it, is they got everything numbered. Like right here, like one, they got the stew for one, and stews for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it tells you exactly where each stew goes at, because it's number coded, so that makes it a lot better. Okay. So, and another one thing I like about it, what they designed it is that it has little impressions right here. If you can see, there's like an impression right here. So when you push this screw in through the back side, they're locking that little hole, so you won't have to try to hold it on both sides. That back side will hold itself. So let's get started. So I'll see. I already put 4 screws through the holes already, 4 bolts through the holes. And you can see that it's holding itself pretty good. So now it calls for, it said instruction 1 is to put this bar right here. You get in a particular way, right here. Then you put number 1 on it, which is this one, number 1. And you got 4 bolts, 4 washers. So you put your 4 bolts on, your washers on first. Put your washers on first. Got the 4 washers on, then you put the bolts on. I think the bolts are like a what? The bolts are a 1/2-inch bolt, so you need a 1/2-inch socket or wrench or whatever you want to use, whatever you have available. And I like these bolts too because their washers are see that little rubber piece in there? That so it won't back off. So once you put it on there, it won't come off. It won't back itself out because of that rubber on the back side of that screw, on the inside of the screw, keeps you from keep it from backing off. So you don't have to worry about it backing off, tighten it up no more. Once you tighten it up, it's good to go. So we just gonna see, let's get these 2 on here. These 4 bolts. Tighten them up. Whoa. Let me back up a little bit. Alright. Okay. Thing got a little power and got a holder. Okay, so we got the first piece on. Secondly, it calls for the main bracket piece, which is this piece right here. This is the main piece. It calls for that next. So it says to turn it, toward okay, let's see. Yeah. It goes toward this way. So it turns it toward this way. See? So it fits up there like that. Now I gotta do put the screws in here, which it calls for. That part, see, it calls for number 2. See number 2? They tell you what screw it is, what bolts, what hole it goes in. So number 2, like right here, look at here, number 2. Easy to follow along. So, yeah, 3 pieces of rubber here. Okay, so it goes on this way then. This goes in here. It goes in there. No, I don't think so. The rubber goes on the back side, so this goes, and the washer goes on the back side. Okay, so it goes like this. So this goes in here. Then the rubber piece goes on next. Then your washer go on. Then you put your bolt on. I'm gonna have to grab my pliers for this one, because this one has an end on it that I didn't know it had. So let me run in here and grab my pliers. Get my pliers, take a second. They're in here somewhere. Okay. Okay. So on this one you do need some pliers. I got my handy dandy pliers. So we're gonna lock in the back side. Okay. That side's locked in. Put this side on. First, the bolt goes through the hole. Then you put your plastic piece in. Washer. Then you put your bolt on. Whenever you're using a power tool, you make sure when you use tightening up bolts and stuff with it, make sure you thread it first with your hand. Because if you thread it with the when you try to do it, sometimes you'll cross thread it. Okay, so we got that on, y'all. I don't know if this side's probably that tight or not. Maybe this side a little too tight. So I think it's supposed to move a little bit, y'all. I think it's supposed to move up. Oh, yeah, okay. All right, now. Got that part together. What's next? Next we got number 3. Number 3 is the back part. That goes, okay. Number 3 is the piece right here. This piece right here, and it goes somewhere in here. Let me figure it out. It goes right here. Okay, that's how it sits. That's like that. So for number 3, says number 3 bolts. So I showed you. take that loose. So we gotta flip it over and put these 4 bolts in it. So take these bolts right here, put one in this hole right here. Well, the long one goes in the, let me see. Got short ones and got long ones. Number 3. Short bolts and the long bolts. I think the long bolt goes in the front. Okay. Okay, the long bolt goes in the back. Cause the long bolt goes in the back because it got to go through the metal piece. So the long bolts go in the back. Two long bolts goes in the back. Two short bolts go in the front. Okay, got the bolts in. Now I'm gonna flip it back over. Now you can see all the bolts came through. The long ones in the back, the shorts on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we gotta put this on. This goes on this way. Goes right there. To wash on. To wash on. This is pretty easy. Sounds like it's pretty easy put together. Where the instructions is, where they got the numbers, everything laid out. This is the 7 cubic one. They got one that's 4 cubics. This one's 7 cubic yards. So I wanted the one a little bit more cubic yards. This seems pretty simple, pretty simple right now. Fairly on. All right. Okay, that was pretty easy. What's next? Okay, step 3, step 4. Step 4, to put the wheels on. Okay, this step 4 with the pins in it. So, put your wheel on. The wheel is on. Put the thing on your, and then you slide your pin in. So pin, you slide in there, thing there and lock. Okay, that's pretty neat. Get your wheel. That's in the frame. Yeah, that's in the frame. Slide your wheel on. Make sure you put the tube on the outside. When you slide your wheel on, make sure you have this on the outside of it. So you can put air in your tire. You need air in your tire. So make sure you got that on the outside. So you slide your wheel on. You just put your nut on, your washer. Then you take your little pin. Got a little pin here you put in it. And actually it has a spring in it. Once you put it on, you pull it like that and it locks down. It can't be locked down that way. Must got it on it wrong. Let me see. Cause I can slide out like that. So maybe it goes on like this. There you go. It goes that way. So the triangular piece right here goes to the outside. The little triangular knob right there, it goes to the outside. That way it won't come off. You got your wheel on. Now you slide it around to the other side. To this side over here. Grab your two wheels. Slide your wheel on. Slide your other wheel on. Get the washer on. The pointed piece to the outside. Just put that little bolt on, the washer. Then you slide a little pin on. Remember the shop piece you can see with the little corner go to the outside. That's it. Now you just put your handle on. Wait a minute. Let's go by the directions. Don't jump ahead. Jump ahead. One jump ahead. Number 5. What's number 5? Number 5 is the latch. Okay. 5, gotta put the latch on. So to put the latch on, I'm gonna have to turn it over. Turn it over to get the latch on. Latch has 4 screws. It goes right here. And this one goes in the opposite. So you put the screws on this one on the back side. So the latch is right here. The hole for the latches. Right here. You can see it. 4 holes right there. Put the screws in it. Latch goes like this. Put the screw in the hole. Put the screw in the hole. Put your 4 bolts in the holes. See, like I said, I like this one too because it holds the bolts. As you can see right there, it has the little hole got look like kind of like a bolt. So when you slide the bolt down in the hole, it'll hold it in there without you having to have 4 partial hands to hold it with. You just throw it up in there and push it through. Okay, now we're gonna slide this in here. Hopefully none of my bolts don't fall out, but it probably will. Oh, okay. Just like that, y'all. Put that on like that. The bolt on the back side. Oh, shoot. Gotta find that. I dropped one on the ground. I don't want that to happen. I don't want that to happen. I was down there somewhere, y'all. Down there somewhere on the ground. Let me see if I find this boat right quick. Oh boy. Jeez. Yeah, I think I might have lost that joke over here. Got a bunch of leaves. Bunch of leaves. Man, I can't believe I dropped that boat. Oh well, I just gone there, y'all. Everything was going beautifully. Yeah, dropped the boat. Okay. We had to find another boat. We done dropped that one, lost it somewhere up in the grass. So we get another. So let's tighten these 3 up we got. Let me see, can I find this boat? Okay, we found the boat, y'all. We found the boat. I don't know if I can find it or not, but I found it. So it's right here. I thought I was gonna find it for a minute there. Got a lot of leaves and stuff back there. Get this last one on. Okay, y'all. Let's see. Got that on. I think the only thing left is to put the handle on. Put y'all back around. Only thing left is to put the handle on. So, let's see, step 4. Step 4, put the pin in the handle. Why they give me 2 things? Okay, so, okay. Step number 7, last bolt left. Last bolt left for the handle. And the handle it is. Stuck some glue trying to blow away in the neighbor's yard. Okay, so it has a little, as you can see right there, it has a little square under this circle part right here. And the square is a square on this side too. It's a square on this side, then this side is round. So this screw goes on this side, right here. So you just stick it in the hole like that. Stick that through there right there. Then the only thing you gotta do is put your washer and your nut on. Tighten it up. We're good to go, y'all. We all done. Let's get it down on the ground. Let's get it on the ground. Oh. Here we go, y'all, all together. As you can see, we got the wagon all together. That ain't take too long, about 10 or 15 minutes. Not that long. Got the handle on it. Just kind of center my eyes. But yeah, there we go, y'all. The Gorilla cart all together. Let's see if the dump work on it. Because it has a dump on it. It has a dump on it. Let's get it down right there. Okay. Now, let's see if the dump works. See, this right here is supposed to be the dump. You pull that up, and you dump it. Dump everything out. Pull it back down. It latch. Good. Let's see how much it hold. It's supposed to hold up to, let's see. It holds up to 1,200 pounds. It says it holds up to 1,200 pounds, y'all. It holds up to 1,200 pounds. So we'll see if it holds up 1,200 pounds. We got a little stuff right here we gotta do. Gotta put some stuff in, put some soil and some more beds around here. So glad I got that. I can just push it the way I want it and just dump it right out. I had to keep the whole lot unloading, putting up, loading up. So, if you like the video, like and subscribe. Island Girl Gardening. Leave a thumb up, leave a comment. But like I said, it's pretty easy to put together. And my old one, I'm retiring it because it's wore out. You see, this is my old one. Right here. It's all broke down. You see the wheel hitting together. Can you see it? Let me see. That's my G-Wagon. Yeah, right there, y'all. There we go. That's the old one right there. It's all broken down, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright. So until next time, like, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, share the video. Peace.